Welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the problem, we are asked to find x. Now what do? The first thing to do is to check the base. The base, they are all the same. So what do? We look at the right hand side. We can rewrite this hand side, because of the base are the same, as solution. We can rewrite it as log 2 into x plus 12, because log 2 is common to both. So we come to the left hand side and we write. So now, looking at what we have, you will agree with me that the log of base 2 can cancel out. So since the log of base 2 can cancel out, so we cancel both sides, the log of base 2. So we are left with x squared plus 24 equal to x plus 12. So at this point, very simple, we just we form an equation. We move everything to the left hand side. If 12 come to this left hand side, it will be 24 minus 12. If x move to this hand side, it will become minus x. So we will now write it as x squared minus x plus 24 minus 12 will give us 12 equal to 0. Now what we are having here now is a quadratic equation. So we will now solve it as a quadratic equation. We'll look for two numbers here that when we multiply will give us 12, and when we add them up we are going to get minus 1. So we will use those two numbers to replace the middle term. So it will become x squared minus 4x plus 3x, because minus 4x plus 3x will give us x minus x. So plus 12 equal to 0. So what do? We now look at the greatest common factor here, which is x. X into x minus 4 plus 3 to x minus 4 equal to 0. So what do next? We take x plus 3, x minus 4 is common, so we take one of it, equal to 0. So the next thing we do is to equate both the brackets. X plus 3 equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0. So what do? We make x the subject formula. X is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 4. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page. Do well to like, share and comment. With this, you can encourage me and motivate me to do better. Thank you very much and God bless you.